Good day, my name is Iverson, and it's my pleasure to guide you into SHINIEST world. Our company, SHINIEST, dedicate ourselves to produce and supply premium auto accessories to the world for nearly 40 years. Today, I am going to briefly introduce 4 main product lines to you. As you can see, we have stainless steel wheel covers, which can give your truck or bus a handsome look on the wheels. We also have TPMS LED CAPS to protect your wheel tire, not indicators to protect your wheel. In-car laptop, tablet, smartphone stand to make your vehicle a mobile office. Let's watch the first video for A+ wheel trims and nut covers. Hello, my name is Iverson Lin. It's my pleasure to introduce our product to you. First, let's go to our A+, which is stainless steel wheel trims and nut covers. We only use T304, which is a premium stainless steel, to produce our products. Also come with mirror polish finish, which give your vehicle a handsome and elegant looks. And we have different sizes for selection: 22.5, 19.5, 17.5, and we also have 16 inches. So actually we can satisfy up to heavy-duty vehicles down to semi trucks or buses. Here you can see the protector ring series, and with different styles. We are also able to stamp in your logo on our product, such as this one. But if you want to put OEM brand logo on the product, you need to have authorization letters for the brand. Here you can see we have different trim rings. And here is our hot-selling rear wheel trims. And this one is for 22.5 inches with a 9-inch depth rear wheel for European style. And we also have a set product. You can see Ford Transit, Iveco Daily, Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, Hino, Isuzu, and so on. Okay, now we can go to our logo sticker. We also produce logo stickers for your selection. And we have a small size of protector ring. This is 17.5 inches. Now you can see our nut covers, and from very small sizes and up to big sizes. And just tell us the sizes you need, and we will offer our quotation to you, and also our nut pullers and a different style of axle covers. And for nut cover, we also have a blister packing. This one is made by aluminum. So now we also try to developing different product with different materials. So we try to broaden our product range to satisfy customers' demand. So it's very happy to introduce our product to you today. And if you have any demand, please feel free to email to sales@shiniest.com.tw. We're looking forward to talk more details and the cooperation with you. Okay, today we bring 5 A+ products to the scene. Here are 2 different styles of wheel nut protectors. First one is with a traditional center close style, which can see often in the market. The second one, which is with a dome style look. I love what our R&D make. Personally, I think it is very elegant and stylish. And when you put it on your truck or bus wheel, it can make your vehicle stand out with a handsome look. Again, you can also see our mirror polish finish level and the reflection. Furthermore, Unlike some other brands to use T201 or 204 to produce products, we only choose and use T304 stainless steel, which is the most premium stainless steel to produce our products, as we believe quality always brings value. Here are also some nut covers with different styles and sizes for your reference. Now, please enjoy our next video of our tire pressure monitor LED cap. Our A+ TPMS LED cap provides the best protection for vehicle tires with the most simple, reliable, and affordable solution. Demo how it works, pumping the air into your tires till it reaches the standard tire pressure of your vehicle. Install the LED cap onto your tire valve securely. LED can memorize current tire pressure, and it will flash in red when the tire pressure drops 5 to 9 psi from the standard tire pressure. As you can see in the video and on my hand, our patented LED cap with the most smart universal fitting design, which is the best solution for your truck or bus. Besides of cap for standard valve, we also have cap for OTR valve for agriculture or mining vehicles. With our special acetal lens along with beautiful chrome-plated brass sleeve, give the product the best protection against any chemical. Also, our product is 100% waterproof. It is reusable and with a 2 to 3 years battery life, which can give your tire a lifetime protection till it's wear out. We also have anti-thief accessories such as lucky nut, hexagon socket tool, and testing item as rubber testing part for your selection. Let's now take a look of wheel nut indicators and wheel nut retainers. Wheel nut indicators are one of the best road safety products in modern transportation industry. The flexible indicator is designed to be easily installed on each of the lug nut on wheels. Once any of the indicators point at different directions, driver will be easily find out the loosened wheels. Alright, follow the video. Our multi-fit nut indicators use special TPU material which allow one model to fit multiple sizes. This can greatly save your inventory space and maximize the value of our product. We also have different design, such as adjustable nut indicator, dust cap nut indicator, and retainer ring to meet different requirements. Customized color also available if you have enough order quantity. Last but not the least, let's oppose to our popular product line, laptop, tablet, smartphone stands. MS526 is our laptop tablet mount which can turn your vehicle into a mobile office or entertaining studio. Locate and loosen the seat belt in the front left corner of the passenger seat. Let fasten the seat rails. Seat belt go through mounting base, then onto seat belt hole. Tighten the seat belt using socket wrench to secure base on the floor. Assembling tube and desk. Desk is fully adjusted to fit 10 to 17-inch device. Your device can be turned 360 degrees and all joints adjustable for best view. What you watched in the video is our heavy-duty stand mode with strong aluminum tube and a solid plate, which is very popular in USA. Even governmental units, police stations, and some handicap associations are ordering from us. Today, what we bring to show you is our all-in-one smartphone holder with auto clamping function, and it is wireless fast charging. Package comes with a socket cap, good for your car or desktop mount like right now. Air vent mount can put it on the vent hole on your vehicle. Also, come with a Type-C USB cable. Thanks for watching. There are more for you to explore about Chinese world. Please feel free to contact us at www.chineseinc.com. Have a nice day.